Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 96 at 9 o'clock, including news. Today is OCR review day. But first, in the US, sales of new single-family houses in March were surprisingly weak, coming in 13% below the same month a year ago, and more evidence American housing markets are losing traction. Manufacturing, however, is in good space, and although the latest April US PMI was stable, output and new orders were up. Across the Atlantic, the Eurozone factory PMI rose to a 3-month high, and their services PMI rose to a 34-month high. Both measures are recording healthy expansion in April. The Chinese manufacturing PMI was not positive, though, recording another contraction in April. And in case you missed it late yesterday, Aussie inflation came in lower than expected, causing markets to push back expectations of an RBA rate rise and weakening their currency. The China PMI didn't help the Aussie either. The oil price has fallen again overnight on news that the US is stockpiling the most crude oil in more than 8 decades. That's since 1931, thanks to the shale boom. In New York, stocks are lower today as tech sector earnings are disappointing investors. Benchmark US Treasury 10-year bond yields have fallen 4 basis points to trade so far today and are currently at 2.68%. The gold price is lower at $1,284 an ounce, although at one stage it fell to $1,280 an ounce. All eyes will be on the RBNZ OCR announcement at 9 a.m. this morning, and we'll have the full details. We start today with the New Zealand dollar marginally lower against the US at just under 85.8 US cents, but higher against the Aussie at 92.5 Aussie cents, and the TWI is now at 79.9. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.